Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. I am going to be washing my hair today. Finally, it's been 8 days since I straightened it, and I've really been loving straight hair lately. Like, it's just so easy. You don't have to do anything to it. I straightened my hair the first day and then I just let it go. I've already straightened my hair 3 times this year, which doesn't seem like a lot, but going from only straightening my hair 1 time or not at all every year to 3 times already, and it's not even the end of the year, and I know for sure I'm gonna straighten my hair like with the holiday season and everything. But I'm going to show you guys some things that help revive your curls when you revert back to curly. So first thing we need to take care of is this scalp. So since it's been over a week that I've washed my hair, my scalp is extremely oily and I'm starting to get a lot of dandruff. So I'm going to be using the same scalp treatment I've been showing you guys over and over again because I really love this one. This one also promotes and helps with hair growth. This is the Aroma's Scalp Purifying Liquid Shampoo. I'll link it down below, and I do think I have a discount code. I'm actually almost out of this one. My product is sitting here at the very last line. So it has these little increments that measures how much you should be using every time you apply the treatment on your scalp. My scalp is tingling and it feels so good already, but now I'm actually gonna go in and deep condition before I get in the shower. People call this dirty deep conditioning, and the thing with dirty deep conditioning is you need to make sure your hair is wet and your cuticles are open so that your hair can actually receive the nutrients from the product that you're using. And I have seen people say before that dirty deep conditioning doesn't benefit your hair at all, which is true if your cuticles aren't open. That's why it's important to make sure your hair is damp. I'm just gonna be using my little misting bottle to dampen all of my hair before I apply this product. I honestly never really dirty deep condition, but I was reading about it and it made sense to do deep conditioners before you're in the shower because it's more time efficient, especially if the instructions on the conditioner tell you to leave it on for an extended period of time, like 15 to 30 minutes. I don't want to sit in the shower for that long, and I usually don't, to be honest. So my hair probably doesn't even get the full benefits when I deep condition in the shower because I'm always too impatient to actually leave it on for the recommended time, if that makes sense. So the deep conditioner I'm using is from Mielle. This is the Babasu. I'm pretty sure I'm saying that incorrectly, and it's actually a protein and moisture replenisher, which is going to help balance your curls and give you the best looking curls when you revert back to curly. I basically just spilled this because it's actually so runny. I did not expect that. I thought it would be a little bit thicker, but it's like this creamy, really creamy, thin consistency. I'm gonna go ahead and start applying this before I spill it everywhere. So I'm gonna leave this on my hair for 15 minutes. I'm gonna get in the shower and I'll be right back. So to style today, I'm gonna be using my DN Organics products. I haven't used them in a while. I love the way they make my hair look. So I'm gonna use these again, but I'm also going to be using some mousse. This is the Rose Water Mousse from TGIN. And I do have a full like in-depth video on these products. I'll link it up above in the cards. You guys can check it out if you want to. They are small business, woman owned, Latina owned. So yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this leave-in cream all over my hair. So when you're reverting your hair back to curly, for the most part, I feel like you can just take the same steps as far as styling. As long as you do the pre-treatments, like the scalp treatments that I did, you don't have to dirty deep condition, but do some sort of deep conditioning treatment, whether that's before or after you wash. So the only thing different that I would include is to style with a brush so that you can get more curl definition. Just to make sure that my curls are really defined today, I'm gonna go in and use my Tangle Teezer to style. I think earlier I showed you 2 leave-in conditioner bottles, but here is the styling gel I'm going to use. And I'm going to part my hair in sections to apply the styling gel. And then, like I said, I'm going to use my Tangle Teezer to create some curl clumps, and this will give me some really good definition. My hair is in dire need of a trim, even like a little cut, to be honest. I haven't cut or trimmed my hair since November 2021, so it's about to be a year. And even though it's been so long, my hair's been pretty good and it's been growing and everything, but lately I've noticed my ends are so knotty and they just get tangled so quick and don't stay detangled. So I'm just gonna flip my head over and then scrunch. And then, like always, I'm gonna let my hair air dry for a little bit and then I'll come back and diffuse it once it's like 60-70% dry. Okay, I am back to diffuse my hair. It's literally, I think, 3 hours later. My hair's still pretty wet. I would say it's only like 60% dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start diffusing. And I just always like to hover around my head before I start scrunching, just to avoid any extra frizz. So here's just a little recap on some things you can do when you're reviving your curls after you straighten them. Number one, make sure you take care of your scalp. Do some sort of scalp treatment, because usually if your hair is straightened, that means you haven't washed or touched your scalp in at least a week, maybe longer in some cases. Like me, I like to leave my hair straight as long as possible, and a clean and detox scalp is going to make sure you have a really good wash day. And then next, make sure you're deep conditioning and doing your protein and moisture treatments. You can dirty deep condition like I did, or just regular deep condition after you shampoo your hair. And lastly, to make sure you have the best curl definition, use a styling brush to clump those curls together and create really nice and defined ringlets. So that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you give it a thumbs up before you go, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!